In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Excel. Changing background colors is a simple way to make your spreadsheets easier to read and much more visually appealing. It helps you highlight important data, separate different sections, or just make your file look more professional. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic method, and I'll also share a few tips to help you use colors effectively. First, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet where you want to change the background color. Click on the cell or group of cells that you want to format. You can click and drag to select a range, or hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys if you prefer using the keyboard. Once your cells are selected, look towards the top of the Excel window for the Home tab on the ribbon. Make sure you're on that tab. In the middle of the Home toolbar, you'll see a section called Font. Within that section, there's an icon that looks like a little paint bucket spilling color. That's the Fill Color button, and this is what controls the background color of your cells. Click the small arrow next to the Fill Color icon. This opens a color palette. Here, you'll see theme colors, standard colors, and sometimes recently used colors. Simply move your mouse over the different colors to preview how they'll look. Then click the one you want. As soon as you click, the background color of your selected cells will change. If you don't see a color you like in the default palette, look for an option called More Colors at the bottom of the menu. Clicking this will open a dialog box where you can choose from a wider spectrum, or even enter specific color values if you need to match a brand or design theme. After you pick your color, click OK, and it will be applied to your selected cells. You can repeat this process for any other cells or ranges you want to format. If you ever change your mind, just select the cells again. Open the Fill Color menu and choose No Fill to remove the background color and return them to the default look. As a final tip, try to use colors with enough contrast so your text remains easy to read. And avoid using too many different colors on one sheet. A simple, consistent color scheme usually works best. That's how you change the background color in Excel and make your data stand out clearly and professionally.